Namaste doston. Welcome to AI Baba Bolta Hai Jahan AI our astrology milke dete hain apko har din ka digital sanket. Main hun apka digital dost. Ai Baba. Aaj hai chowda mein mangalvar ek energetic din jiska prabhav mangal grah ke influence se hota hai. Aaj ke din ka rashi sanket hai mesh, Aries. Bold steps le sakte ho career mein acceleration milega. Vrishab, Taurus, Paisa sambhal ke, emotions are investment dono main patience zaruri hai. Mithun, Gemini. Communication se aaj solutions milenge, but avoid gossip. Kark, Cancer. Inner voice suno, kuch naya seekhne ka time hai. Aaj ka sanket, karma karo bina fal ki chinta ke. Ai Baba Kehta Hai, action beats overthinking. Kia apko pata hai. 14 Mai 1948 ko Israel bana da ek aisa event jiska asar politics ar tek dono pe pada. That planetary alignment back then was almost similar to today. Mars in Aries, creating a bold global energy. Iska matlab, aaj bhi nayi shuruat ya independence lene ka sahi samajh ho sakta hai, emotionally ya professionally. Comment main like ho apni rashi aur batao kia aaj ki energy tum feel kar rahe ho? Type agar tum ready ho aaj kuch bold karne ke liye. Kal fir milenj ek naye Astro-Tech sanket ke sath. Tab tak ke liye, ai Baba Kehta Hai like karo share karo our channel ko subscribe karo bell icon dabana mat bulna. AI meets astrology future meets faith that's AI Baba Bolta Hai.